Today, I earned $4,156. Yesterday, little less, $485. Last 30 days, $47,993. Last month, $45,513. Now, these numbers are really big and people love these numbers. This is what people look at when they will see these numbers, but actually these are not the most important numbers. The most important numbers are these numbers, the number of visitors and the number of hops. Basically, they are the same thing, visitors and the hops. So what are they? They are customers who paid us these money, all this money paid by these customers. So why do people pay us customers? How to make money from customers? How do we get customers? What do we sell to them? Do we really have to sell or not? How much time do we need? What do we need to do? How much time do we need to spend? All these answers will be right here. And the best of the best part, it can be done by anyone from any experience level, even if you're a complete beginner from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. Sounds good? It can be done using 3 to 5 minutes of our time. And our artificial intelligence software, Epic, will help you just like it helps us make this kind of money. Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Are we ready? Let's begin. In order to get these customers, we make videos. But unlike these videos where we shoot ourselves, we don't use cameras and microphones and record ourselves in other 20 plus channels because it is a tedious process and it's not scalable. So on our other channels, we use Epic. Epic helps us make videos using image, links, and text. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic makes videos in byte or tiny size. And then with one push of a button, it compiles all those tiny clips into one long or short video without the use of editing. So all the video related problems are solved. Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it and let's go find customers for you. But before we begin, the goal of this channel is not only help you but also help 100 million people in the next 10 years. Learn how to make money online, the fast way, the easy way, and the fun way. And the only way we can get 100 million people is with your help. All we need from you is hitting the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Share this video in your social media like Facebook, Twitter, timelines. Share the links with your email, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts and tell them how easy it is to make money online. This way you help us, help others, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So let us get customers now. And in order to get customers, all we need to do is to follow the big sharks or the big whales. And we need to have a sincere mindset of helping people. That's all we are going to do. Follow the big whales and help people sincerely get answers to their queries. Let's look at my screen. You see this little video here? Let me take a quick screenshot. This video right here, I saw this video the moment I opened YouTube today. And I know this channel, Color Grading Central, they have a lot of subscribers, they have awesome videos, and they generate a lot of views. So they are big whales. Why did they make a video about how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro and blah blah blah? Now, I don't want to go into detail now. I want to first find customers because I'll tell you the because right now. For that, I will start with my favorite tool, Uber suggests. You can use any keyword research tool. So I just simply searched with the keyword green screen in order to know how many people look for green screen related topics and what other things they are asking for. And I found there are 432 direct keywords that people are searching online about green screen, and there are 45,457 related topics that people want to know about green screen. There are 70 questions, 49 prepositions, and a lot of other keywords. And look at the numbers. 165,000 people every single month search for the keyword green screen. And there are green screen backgrounds, there are green screen news background, green screen app, green screen on iPhone. We can go on and on and on. All these topics people need help with. They come to Google and they search. Why am I telling you all this? Because the green screen is an object. It's literally a real green screen that you have to fix in your background and later use a software or multiple softwares to remove that green screen and replace it with any other background you want. So all these people who are looking for green screen, they are either video editors or they are video shooters or studio owners, or they are actually looking for building a home studio. So these people, all these people looking for green screen stuff, they are the people who have credit cards and are ready to spend money on things that they need or want. These are customers. We want to help them using 1 second to 1 minute long videos, using 3 to 5 minutes of our times, and attract them to our links. So why 1 to 3 minutes of our time and why Epic? Here we go. I just searched with green screen video editing on YouTube using my phone. Please take note what I have done. I search on my phone, and just when I go a little down, you see these are the YouTube shorts. These are 1 second to 1 minute long videos. And the first video, I don't know if you can see, the first video has got 60,000 views. And the second video got 18 million views. All right, 18 million views. Now, let me compare these 18 million views with all these numbers of visitors and all these numbers of hops. Look at this. 19,000 visitors made us $8,900 in revenue, and 1,273 visitors or hops made us $1,172 in revenue. So how much money could we make with 18 million visitors? You got the point? So altogether, this green screen type of thing can generate 18 million customers. Can we say from this screenshot that 18 million customers will make you $18 million? Well, that's a big money and we cannot guarantee that. Probably it's not gonna happen, but it's definitely a big number and you will make a lot of money promoting something relevant, something they need. Okay, so what we do is we make simple videos about the topics that people are looking for. And why shorts? Why did I show you shorts videos? Because shorts is a brand new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying their best to make it popular in order to compete with TikTok and Instagram. And that's why YouTube is sending tons of, unbelievable numbers of views, customers to the shorts and the shorts owners. This is so easy. You can simply use Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free. And make information videos that the customers are looking for and get enormous traffic just like this. And then inside your videos, ask your viewers to click the link in the description or in the first comment or in the bios. They will click your link and you will make money. So why will they click your link? Because your information is good. The truth creates trust. When people trust you, they will buy for you. That's exactly what happens to us and happens to thousands of our affiliates, and you can see the money. It's as simple as that. So let's go back. It starts with Epic. Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Then go look for the big whales. I know this is a big whale, this company, this channel, is a big channel, so I followed them. They made a video about green screen 4 days ago, so I wanted to start researching from there, and I used any free tool or any tool to learn about customers' interest. And then I found a lot of people, customers, paying customers, are looking for solutions to these queries. I am ready to answer to them and get all these customers into my short videos that I made using my software Epic. And then I will promote them relevant products. They will buy, I'll make money. I'm ready for this. Are you? Go ahead, grab Epic, start from there. Here is another keyword that we use a lot and we sell one of our softwares a lot, and that is called online stores. People are looking for online stores because everybody knows online stores attract customers. So we make videos about their questions related to online stores or WooCommerce or Shopify or Squarespace. We publish them on YouTube and we ask them, if you want your online stores built without spending monthly recurring fees on Shopify, Squarespace, etc., then go ahead, grab Grants. Grants is our software. It does everything that Shopify plus its premium add-ons do for a one-time price, and that's why people are loving it. Oh yes, Grants link is in the description as well for you in case you want to have your own store. Without Grants, everywhere else you have to pay monthly recurring fees. So go ahead, grab Grants from the link in the description as well. And of course, it comes with agency rights. So when you attract all these people to your videos and to your links and build a store for them, you can charge them money and you can host your customers' stores in your Grants account as well. So go ahead, grab Grants from the link in the description and start making money. Super simple. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we don't want to stop here. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. And for that, we need your help. All we want from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Share this video on your Facebook, Twitter timelines and let others know about it. People will love you for sharing this awesome information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and client. And this way you help us help others. Go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most premium viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.